Welcome to this Nexentis Mobile installation tutorial for iPhone. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Nexentis Mobile app on your phone directly from the Nexentis desktop application. The mobile app gives inspectors quick access to Nexentis from the shop floor, making it easier to perform inspections, access information, and work from a mobile device when needed. From the Nexentis desktop application, open the Settings window. Inside Settings, look for the Mobile App section. This section contains the installation QR code that can be scanned from your phone. Scan the QR code from your iPhone. Your phone will detect the link automatically. Tap the link to open Nexentis Mobile in your browser. Once the link opens, you will see the Nexentis Mobile login page. Do not sign in yet. We need to add Nexentis Mobile to your home screen first. This makes it behave like a regular mobile app so you can open it quickly without returning to the browser each time. To add Nexentis Mobile to your home screen, tap the three dots menu button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the browser options menu. Tap the Share option. In the Options menu, look for Add to Home Screen. You may need to scroll depending on your phone and browser settings. Tap Add to Home Screen to continue. On the next screen, confirm the app name. The name should appear as Nexentis. Make sure Open as Web App is enabled, then tap Add. This will install Nexentis Mobile as a web app on your phone. Nexentis is now added to your home screen. You can open it like any other mobile app by tapping the Nexentis icon.